Welcome to another episode of our journey through the world of talking trees. Meet the Venus Flytrap, scientifically known as Diania muscipula. It's a fascinating plant that has evolved to survive in nutrient-poor soils. One of its key adaptations is its ability to capture and digest insects for nutritional requirements. Venus flytrap's red or purple-colored lobes draw most of the insects into the trap, and its nectar glands lure insects with a sweet sap. These beautiful heart-shaped traps are deadly tools. Look closely, and you will see tiny hairs lining the inner surface. These are the Venus flytrap's trigger hairs. When an unsuspecting insect brushes against a hair, the flytrap doesn't snap shut yet. It's checking its prey. The Venus flytrap has a unique hormonal response that activates after 2 touches. This means the plant can count how often it is touched, essentially memorizing the stimuli it receives, which allows it to estimate the size of its prey. When an insect touches these hairs, the trap snaps shut, trapping the prey. When the trigger hairs get stimulated, tiny voltages are induced in plant cells, bringing forward action potentials to activate the cells inside the trap. This cell activation mechanism is powered by a mechanism called tuger pressure. The lobes are closed and now a tiny prison for the insect. But the flytrap's work isn't done yet. Now, the flytrap releases digestive enzymes through glands lining the inner surface of the trap. These enzymes break down the insect's soft tissues. It absorbs the broken down nutrients from the insect, which helps it survive in its nutrient-poor environment. Once digestion is complete, the trap slowly reopens over several days. The trap is then ready to capture its next unsuspecting victim. Within our laboratory, observe closely the Venus flytrap's movement mechanism. As an intelligent and adaptive hunter, this plant has evolved to thrive in a challenging environment to sustain its life. Remember, the Venus flytrap is nature's silent assassin, a true botanical marvel that tactically catches its prey. Hope you had an amazing time with this counting carnivore, a predator in the plant kingdom. Thank you for joining us on this wonderful exploration. We will be back with another episode of our journey through the talking trees. Until then, support us by liking, sharing, and commenting your thoughts. And don't forget to support us on Patreon to see our research grow further. We are Talking Trees.